Everyone knows about Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. But what if I told you some of the world's smartest billionaires aren't in Silicon Valley? They're in Africa. Men who started with nothing, no investors, no fame, just pure hustle, vision, and fire. These are the billionaires who turned dust into gold and built empires that feed millions. Stay till the end, because the last one started selling nothing but sugar bags and now owns a multi-billion-dollar empire. This is not another motivation video. This is about the real people who changed Africa's business game, how they thought, what they risked, and how they built their wealth step by step. Whether you dream of starting a business or just want to understand money, these stories will change how you see opportunity. 1. Aliko Dangote, the cement king of Africa. Our first story starts in Nigeria, with a man who saw wealth not in gold, but in dust. Aliko Dangote borrowed just $3,000 from his uncle in 1977 to start a small trading business. He sold sugar, rice, and cement, products everyone needed, but few produced locally. Decades later, he realized something powerful. Trading makes you money, but manufacturing builds nations. So he built his own factories. Today, Dangote Cement supplies more than 45 million tons per year, across 10 African countries. His empire employs over 30,000 people, and his net worth crosses $10 billion. The secret? Don't follow money, follow need. If people need it every day, and you can make it better, cheaper, faster, you'll build your empire. 2. Strive Masiyiwa, the telecom visionary. Our second story takes us to Zimbabwe. Strive Masiyiwa didn't start rich. In fact, he faced failure after failure. In the 1990s, he wanted to start a telecom company called Econet, but the government refused him a license for 5 years. Most people would have quit. But Strive fought in court and won. When Econet finally launched, it exploded. Millions connected. 3. Patrice Motsepe, the miner who saw beyond gold. Next, we go to South Africa, where Patrice Motsepe turned mining into a modern empire. In 1994, during a time of massive change, he founded African Rainbow Minerals. He didn't wait for perfect timing. He created it. Today, he's one of the richest men in South Africa, worth over $2.5 billion. His secret? Find what others ignore. Sometimes the gold is hidden in what people call waste. 4. Mo Ibrahim, the Sudanese-British billionaire who changed Africa's telecom story. He built Celtel, one of Africa's first mobile networks, when most people didn't even believe in mobile phones. In 2005, he sold it for $3.4 billion. And instead of just enjoying the wealth, he launched the Mo Ibrahim Foundation, which rewards African leaders for good governance. His vision went beyond money. It was about legacy. Real wealth is not what you have. It's what remains after you're gone. Final message. Dangote built factories. Masiyiwa built connections. Motsepe built industries. Ibrahim built systems. 4 different men, 1 continent, 1 truth. Africa is not waiting for opportunity. Africa is creating it. And maybe your next big idea is right here, too. If this inspired you, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we uncover the untold stories of money, power, and opportunity across Africa and beyond.